Hello everyone, my name is Amber Dutry and I'm going to walk you through the MyceliOS robot, the Tinkercad circuit, and the Arduino code. I'll show you how all the sensors and actuators respond to inputs from the IR receiver and how the robot communicates information back to the wet soup fleet. So here is my Tinkercad circuit. I'm zoomed in enough so you can see everything clearly. You have the Arduino, the IR receiver, you have your 3 servos, then you have your gear motors, and then you have your sensors over here: soil moisture, temperature. This one is humidity, and then this one is nutrients. So servos are on pins 11, 10, and 6. The IR receiver is on pin 2, and then motors are on 3, 4, 7, 8. And then all of the sensors are on analog 0 through 3. So we're going to go ahead and start the simulation. I'm going to pop this up real quick. Here's the notes. So we have soil, scoop, funnel, humidity, nutrients, inoculation arm. Then you have left and right. And so let's go ahead and start our simulation. So here, we're going to go ahead and act like we're moving forward. Going to go ahead backwards. You have turning left, turning right, and then power stops you. So we're going to go ahead and move forward, and we're going to act like we're ready for a soil analysis. So we are getting to our spot. We're going to go ahead and hit play. So what happens here is you run through the soil analysis. So you have your soil scoop, scooping up your soil, dropping it into the soil analysis compartment. It's returning it, it's reading it, and then it's dispensing spores because the soil is poor quality. So I'll go ahead and show you it again. So we're going to go ahead and run through. There's your scoop. It's returning it here. Here's our readings. And then because it needs spores, here's the inoculation arm. Now you can change input here to make sure. So let's go ahead and run it again. Scoop in, placing it in the analysis compartment, returning it, evaluating soil quality, and because the soil is healthy, there is no spores needed, so the inoculation arm does not move. It is fairly simple. Let's run you through the code here real quick. This is the hex codes for the remote, attaching our receiver, motor pins, motor functions, and then here's the soil analysis. I put delays in here so it simulates kind of closer to being an actual experience. Then you have your temperature, humidity, moisture, nutrients. So with the moisture, because Tinkercad doesn't actually allow you to have any input here, we just have it simulating, and then the code used a healthy level of moisture, 450, and then it randomizes the number -50 plus 50 to simulate testing environment. Empties, evaluates, dispenses if needed. Set up a Boolean value here. So this is where it determines if it's good or bad. And then here is the loop where it is waiting for user input. So yeah, thanks.